Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and today we're doing another Autoworld unboxing on a modern muscle car, and it is also a General Motors like the Caddy we did an unboxing on earlier this week. And today we're taking a look at the black variant of the 2010 Chevy Camaro Hurst Edition. This is my favorite out of the A and B releases because of the chrome wheels. I don't mind the white variant, like the paint scheme. The black wheels are kind of cool too, but I really dig chrome or silver wheels because you can see all the details of the wheels much better, as you can see on this one. And the silver stripe with the red pinstriping around it contrasts very good on the black and the chrome wheels, and you can see the Hurst emblem highlighted much better on the front fender than on the white variant. So, here are some premium facts on this car. Only 50 units of the Hurst Performance Edition were produced in 2010. Under the hood is a supercharged LS3 producing 425 horsepower and 420 pound-foot of torque. And I would say that's probably an understatement. It's probably a little bit more than that. I'm going to say probably upwards of like probably 5 to 600, maybe even a little more. I think they underrated these just like they did back in the 60s and 70s for insurance purposes. So as you can see, card art's kind of cool. I still think the caddy was really nice. This isn't bad though. As always, the True 164, the name of the car here, limited edition. Once again, no numbers, so they're mass producing these bad boys now. Still less than Hot Wheels, but still mass produced. And as you can see here, you have your modern muscle, which is your 1986 Dodge Conquest, the 2021 Shelby, and the 2010 Chevy Camaro. Then your vintage muscle, which is the 67 Chevy Chevelle and the 74 Dodge Challenger, which we have not done the Chevelle yet. I was going to pick it up in the A release because it was in black, which is nicer than this B release. The B release is like some kind of off green, like a pale green color. And then you have your luxury cruisers in this series, which is the 70 Chevy Impala Custom Coupe. And I do have that one coming up next week for you guys. It is very nice. It's like in a marina blue with a white top, blue interior, and the wheels look like Dayton's, like a 13 or 14-inch Dayton. It does not look like factory wheels or a factory wire hubcap. This actually looks like a Dayton wire spoke knockoff wheel. So pretty cool looking. Looks like a lowrider. We'll take a look at it next week. So let's get this bad boy off the card. And as you can see, it looks like it is still sealed, but it's not. Actually, that's one thing I can do is probably glue this back together, and you'll never be able to notice that it was open. So, put the package off to the side, and then we'll zoom in on the car so we can take better look at it and such. So, as you can see, nice detailed once again with these stripes on the side and nice looking chrome 5 spokes. The Hurst Edition emblem on the front fender. And taking a look, the marker lights are there, nicely detailed. Detailed door handles, but they are painted body color. But they are chiseled in there so you can see them pretty good. And then turning it around to the back, you have a Hurst vanity plate. And then the bow tie emblem on the deck lid. And then your backup lights in the rear bumper cover. Exhaust cutouts in the rear bumper cover. And they are silver trimmed. And a rear air diffuser kind of on the back bumper cover too. Nice detailed tail lights and nice looking spoiler. And mine looks like it is a little bit off. It's a little high. Maybe it's like coming loose, actually, maybe. Yep. Yeah, it just doesn't look like it was fastened down good on that side. And then, once again, nice detail on the wheels. Black on black, black interior. Yeah, sorry. Silver side stripe, silver hood, and deck lid stripe that continues to the rear wing, as you can see, the side stripes. and the top deck lid stripe continue on to the spoiler, which is pretty cool. And it does have an opening hood, which is hard to get open. Bear with me for 1 second. I can get this open. Just have to use a little piece of plastic to kind of finagle in there, and it's hard to do. Yeah, I'm using actually a fruit roll-up treat from my kid. This is Ethan's fruit roll-up treat, because you can get it in there without scratching anything, and it's very flexible, so it doesn't like chip or anything like that. So you can get the hood popped open, and as you can see down in there, very nice detail by Autoworld, like the silver trim on the supercharger and such. Very nicely done with the details under the hood. Nice details on the chassis too, as you can see, and it is diecast on diecast as always. So very sweet piece. We'll put him down there next to the caddy and let you have one last look at him before we close for today. We'll be back next week. We should have some orders coming in. I'm still waiting for my pink GTR to come in, my membership Mustang to come in from Hot Wheels. Those are not back orders, so I don't know what the deal is. It's been almost 2 weeks now. Called them, and they said that they are processing it, that I am getting it, but they're just waiting to print the shipping label and get it out of the warehouse for me. And not sure on the 240Z, I did get it too, the chrome one. I'm not sure if it is back ordered or if it is made to order, whatever, but that one we have coming. I know the Monte Carlo lowrider did get that ordered too, but it is back ordered until May 5th. The Jag I did not order, wasn't much into that car, but I do have some cool RLC stuff coming, and I did purchase the 32 Ford Coupe Hot Rod, the metallic red one, from eBay. That will be getting shipped to me this week, so we'll be doing a video on it coming soon. We also have some other Autoworld stuff, as I mentioned, the Impala. I have an older Polara coming, the Max Wedge Polara. And then we have a bunch of green light stuff, some newer Autoworld stuff, a Roadrunner, Corvette, and all kinds of stuff. And some Matchbox stuff, moving parts and working rigs or something like that, workhorses, whatever they're called. So we have those coming up and such. So bunch of really cool things coming up for you guys. So tune back in next week and we'll have a video coming for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.